Imagine paying for a property today and in less than a month, you're already earning at least 2 million naira appreciation. Crystal Garden Phase 3 is that property that would give you good return on investment in no distant time. You know why? It's situated behind Centenary City, Enugu, just less than 30 minutes drive from the heart of town, which is Independence Layout, Enugu. Crystal Garden Phase 3 has C of O. The measurement is 500 square meters and is a tableland and has dry topography. It's selling for 5 million naira. But by next month, which is September, Crystal Garden Phase 3 is gonna appreciate. And the most interesting thing is that we run a flexible payment plan. Call me immediately on 0803 743 5005. I am Loveth Aneke. Cheers.